Roblox. Bakit kaya siya palaging nandoon? Ito ang nakakatakot na storya ni Will sa atin. Sulat niya, "Hi Ate Nex, ako po si Will James Palisok. Tawagin niyo na lang akong Will. Grade 10 student po, taga Orani, Bataan. Tungkol po ito sa classmate kong si Vince Cabral. Nung una, hindi po kami magkaibigan. Medyo weirdo po kasi siya. Mahiyain at hindi masyadong nakikipag-usap. Hindi rin siya nakikipaglaro sa amin, tulad ng basketball. Pero kapag naglalaro na po ako ng Roblox, lagi ko siyang nakikita sa mga games. Kung hindi niyo po alam yung Roblox, ito po yung mobile game na parang Lego at online siya. Pwede kang makipaglaro sa kahit na sino, pero mostly mga bata. At ayun na nga po. Pag sa Roblox, madaldal at active naman si Vince. Kaya ginawa ko siyang friend sa game. At ang dahil doon, naging magkaibigan na rin kami sa school. Galante din si Vince at lagi niya akong binibigyan ng Robux para may pambili ng skin sa laro. Pero kahit magkaibigan na kami, nawiwirdohan pa rin ako sa kanya. Kapag kasi inaaya ko siya sa mga horror games sa Roblox, tulad ng 99 Nights in the Forest or Hapunan, ayaw niya at nagagalit ito sa akin. Paborito niya lang laruin ay Province Life at Still a Brain Rot. Pero kapag basketball na, umaayaw na ito. Virtual games lang daw ang gusto at ayaw ng totoong laro. Ako nga pala si Nix ng Book of Bad Ideas. Kung mahilig.
Oh my God! Your daughter is bald!
What? No, that's not possible. I don't want a bald daughter. This is where you belong. Goodbye.
If I die, I will face reveal. Let's go. This is too easy. Bro, these are not too hard. I don't know how Adidas logo looks. Okay, I died. I will face reveal. Okay, guys, I will keep my promise. But before I do the face reveal, subscribe. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Please don't slow it down! If I die, I will face
change the ending, Peter losing Wendy. I knew you, leaving like a father, running like water. When you are young, they assume you know nothing. But I knew you'd linger like a tattoo kiss. I knew you'd haunt all over my bodies. The smell of smoke would hang around this long. 'Cause I knew everything when I was young. You just start telling my scars.
Do you love Jesus?
Of course I do. He's our savior.
Is this then?
Why did you hit my sister?
Why did Sadie loves Jesus and I'm the devil?
Don't say that. I'm gonna call Jesus. Jesus, I need your help.
What happened, my daughter?
In Roblox.
Babe, are you on? I need to ask something quick before you start roasting me for being dramatic.
I'm on. And if you say quick, I already know it's going to turn into a whole situation. What is it?
Okay, can I add mine?
No.
You didn't even let me finish.
I said no.
Anya, I didn't even say who.
I don't need the who. I know the pattern. You say, I'm just adding someone, and then suddenly, I'm watching you laugh at another girl's jokes like you forgot my name.
That's not fair.
Mga hindi maipaliwanag sa Grow a Garden. Babala, ang bidyong ito ay hindi para sa mga bata. Ang litratong ito ay nakuha mula sa dark web. Palagi daw naglalaro si John ng Grow a Garden sa private server mag-isa. Pero isang araw, ng madaling araw, 1 AM, bigla na lang daw may lumitaw na ganitong imahe. Wala naman daw siyang kasama, pero meron siyang nakitang naglalaro. Bigla nga daw itong nag-on mic at ito ang sinabi ng kakaibang tao. Simula nun,
يا ليلي ويا ليلى وش بش نشكيلك يما وقالوا لي ليلى صغير وفي قلبي غمة حب انتي وادير الفوق يحبوا يقصوا لجناحي قولي ذكراني مخنوق منك طالب اسماحي.
Alam nyo ba na itong batang ito ay nagwawala ng dahil sa Roblox? Yes, merong nag-post na mommy and super nag-aalala na siya dahil na-addict na yung anak niya sa kakalaro ng Roblox. Especially Grow a Garden. Kinuwento din nung mommy na nababawasan pala yung pera
Okay guys, today we're gonna play. Let's go. We pull up slowly. Yes. And then we pick it up. Boom. We're done.
Yesterday I stuck my toes into my ant farm. I noticed that